Hi, I'm Tammy Caple, APQS Educator and Custom Longarm Quilter for So Feathered. What if I told you there was one step that could completely change your quilting? It's not the batting, it's not the thread or the fabric. What if I told you it's stabilization? Let me show you today how that can affect your quilting. So let's get started.
As you can see, as I quilt this first block, the sides draw up and gets puffy. This distortion can cause problems when trying to hit those points. Another thing to consider is the outside edge. When you haven't secured that outside edge, it's harder when you go to bind it because the quilt top will not lay flat and straight. Do you see on the second block, I've secured the outside edges, and I'll go ahead and ditch in between the blocks. This will help the appearance of the block. Now that you have the edges secured and the ditches completed, this gives you a nice flat block to go ahead and put all those beautiful designs in. Here's the side-by-side comparison that gives you an idea of what those outside edges do when they're not secure.
As you can see in these two blocks, stabilization makes all the difference. The stabilized block has clean, crisp designs, whereas the unstabilized block is drawn up and puffy. To ensure the best look, make sure you stabilize those quilt tops and those blocks. We want to create beautiful masterpieces. So I hope this helps, and I look forward to showing you more of my tips and tricks.
If you're looking for more educational videos, please visit APQS or So Feathered on YouTube.